half pelvis, and the stuff you're responsible for on this, the anus, the bladder, the urethra, that tube all the way through, the prostate again, that kind of orangey, peachy colored, whatever that thing is colored, the seminal vesicle, and you can see the seminal vesicle easily right there, that guy, and the ductus or vas deferens is that little structure right along there, and you notice it hooks up right there and then goes over to this thing. This little section right there is a common cord that encloses the ductus deferens as well as the gonadal, in this case of course the spermatic or testicular artery and vein, and the nerves that go down there. This thing is called the spermatic cord. I don't have the arteries and veins, but you see how they join, and all of them run into that same common structure that's bound. That's what's called the spermatic cord. Alright, we did the seminal vesicle, right? And I did the prostate. The vas deferens, by the way, you see where it joins ultimately with the urethra right there. And then this is the penis, and this little thing right here is the scrotum. There is the testicle in the scrotum, and on the back side here, do you see that little mass right there? That is something called the epididymis. Do y'all see how there's two numbers there? 52 is the testis or testicle. 53 is the epididymis. So much for that. And the last thing, and you can expect several questions off this, at least 2 or 3 off this one, because it's the only one that's got female stuff. All these other urinary system models are all with male structures. On the female model, I'll pull this out first. There is your ovary. Do y'all see those little fingers sticking down there? Those are fimbriae, and they enclose part of the ovary, and then there is your uterine tube. When you get down to this structure right here, this is the uterus. Oh, no, this is the uterus rather. Excuse me. There's the uterus. There's the cervix of the uterus. That's the bladder, and that's the urethra.
Where's the cervix? I'm sorry.
The cervix is right there.
Okay, that bulbous thing, okay.
Yes. And then here is the vagina, and what have I got down there? The vaginal orifice, the urethra, bladder, the anus. Here is the clitoris, and then the labia majora, which singular would be labium majus, and then the labium minus is that little structure there. Those are part of the vulva. Note that there's 3 separate openings in the female reproductive tract, only 2 in the male. Y'all have a little problem, however, because you open up real close to the urethral orifice and the anal orifice. Makes contamination a problem.
Is that it?